You're like, all we've been doing is taking like screws. Well, yeah, that's part of the job.
And when we start putting it back, then I feel like all you're doing is putting in screws.
Whoa. I almost tipped myself over.
Okay, so how are we going to problem solve it?
You just keep trying. Can we just... Well, it's because this whole piece is in the way. So you gotta take it out?
There's something else we're going to take out before that.
What? Oh, this part?
Mm-hmm.
Does that fit? What does that one look like? Not what you have in your hand.
That one looks like a 17. So, yeah.
This way.
That way, right?
Yeah.
So what do you gotta do? Adjust it. You can even put it this way. Dang, I got gone.
Oh man, I gotta take it out every time?
Yep.
Oh, dark.
Well, you might be able to loosen it in your hand. Now that. See how easy?
Alright, Nani, what do you have there? You're not fully in the video.
This is the thermostat, and this helps control the flow of the coolant. So when it gets too hot, this goes down and it lets coolant into the engine.
Cool. Alright, Nathaniel, what are you doing?
Taking off the VANOS, however the hell you say it. Starting with these little things down here. Ew, what is happening? Ew, what is on my finger? Okay, so like the cap and stuff, this came out, like these little screws that we took out, they came out lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. But the ones in here, you have to do the opposite way. So it's gonna be to the right is gonna loosen, what is it? Are they bolt or what is it in here?
T27.
T27.
T27 bolt.
Bolt, okay, so they're bolts, yeah. So we're just gonna go to the right. And it was explained to me, it was explained to me, well, to us, that the reason that this is because if you put them in here as like lefty-loosey, righty-tighty, if the engine is going like left, but it's gonna loosen them and then everything's gonna fall out. Can I take this out yet? Like, whoa, that's heavy. Okay.
Here, put it on the floor.
Oh, it's dripping. Oh, it's dripping.
Oh, it's dripping a lot.
Oh, it's dripping from everywhere. It's on this side too. I got it on the car.
Oh no, it got so dirty. Alright.
Oh, it fell over.
Oh, that's okay.
Alright guys, it's just me today because Athaya decided and my pops. Because Athaya decided she just wanted to sleep. Because she's lazy. Just kidding. She's also working. She started her new job, so that's why she's sleeping. But anyways, today we're gonna be finishing, well, I don't know if we're gonna finish today. Do you think we'll finish today?
I think it comes off today.
Okay. Well, we're gonna keep dismantling everything to get to the head gasket, and then we gotta take off the time change right here, and then we're gonna be taking off, what were these called?
Cams.
The cams, so that we can get to the bearings inside, but we need a special tool to be able to take them off. So we're gonna go to the store right now to go get it.
We're going to the special store, Harbor Freight.
Wait, it went dark because the light. Okay.
Oh, we're going to the special store, Harbor Freight, because that's where we get. These are E11s, I believe, the torque sockets, and I don't have any of those because this is the first time we work on a BMW. So we have to go. And I'm taking my daughter with me because she's paying.
Multitask.
Wait,
That guy looks like he crashed
he just
there.
crashed with the truck. He sure did. Look at the bumper.
Oh, excuse me, guys. This car, the black SUV that's right there, just crashed into that truck.
What's his insurance gonna say?
I forgot.
Couldn't you crash with a smaller car?
No, you crashed into a what?
A what? A Porsche? Well, that was more expensive probably than a Porsche.
Probably. Okay, so we ended up getting this, which is a valve compressor, but it didn't work. So we ended up making our own little thing, and we used this little contraption to do basically the job of this. And then this is what my sister bought with my dad. I don't really know what are these for, Pops?
That was to remove the head bolts.
The head bolts, okay. So yeah, we had to go. And why did we have to go out and buy those specifically?
Because
we didn't have them?
Special sockets, and we didn't have them. They're like star sockets.
Okay, hold on, let me zoom in a little bit. Y'all see that?
Yeah, we didn't have those because, you know, BMW always has all type of different bolts and kinds of stuff, so we had to go get them. I didn't have them.
Yep, and that's all we have for you guys in this video. We will be making a part 2 to this, but we did want to show you guys what we got and what we were going to use them for.